Here are some ideas you can use as niche on your Faceless YouTube channel that will earn you a lot of cash. Hi guys, it's Becky here. Welcome back to my channel. So this is the continuation of our topic in my previous video. If you have not watched, please go back or click the link on my description to watch. One idea I'll be talking about today is tutorial or how to do videos. This type of tutorial is all about teaching your audience new things, and it's a great option for those planning to have a YouTube channel without showing their face. In this type of video, your audience doesn't really need to see your face, they just want to see what you are doing. An example of this video is beauty, fashion design, life hack, and so on. So this is the type of video that you can go into. Number 2 idea I'll be talking about today is graph tutorial. Showcasing how to do different types of graphs is one of the most popular Faceless YouTube channels, as it covers a huge amount of different topics and video styles, from teaching to sewing patterns to teaching how to make homemade soap, shade lamps, scrapbook, homemade cookies. The potential for graphs is endless, and the best part of it is that you doesn't really need to show your face, and in some cases use your voice for it to be effective. So examples of graph tutorial are art nails, DIYs, life hacks, and so on. So number 3 on my list is STEM tutorial, from teaching how to code online to educating people on how to use Excel. Tech tutorial are one of the Faceless YouTube channel ideas that will really take off soon. Whether you are using illustration, animation, or sharing your screen, you can explain your ideas in the way that works best for you. Just embrace simplicity and pass your message in an easy and understandable manner. Another Faceless YouTube idea that I'll be sharing today is cooking tutorial. Who doesn't love a good cook? Videos showing people what to eat and how to cook has become a profitable industry in YouTube channel, ranging from simple cook, complex cook, life hack, and so on. So if you're a good cook or food and nutrition specialist, you can start a YouTube channel and make a lot of money without showing your face. So guys, there are a lot of Faceless YouTube ideas that you can use, just like whiteboard tutorial, inspiration videos, AI videos, and a lot of them. Just make a research and choose the one that best works for you. Guys, this is the end of our topic. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe, share, comment, and turn on the notification button to be notified anytime I post a new video. Bye.